Hello everyone, welcome to Group 4 videos. So in this video, we're going to tell you about bricks and polymers. There are 7 topics about that. First is the definition, composition, classification, advantage with disadvantage, fabrication properties, and also their uses in civil engineering. Before that, let me introduce myself first. My name is Ridha Fauzia with student ID F11123044.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Zahra Nissaul Jannah with my student ID is F1111233036.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Andi Kesha Mutiara Humaira. My student ID is F11123037.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Syauqi M.H Yahya. My student ID is F11123029.
Hi guys, my name is Nabila Firadina. My student ID is F11123076.
Hello, my name is Adnan Taufik, and my student ID is F11123106.
Let's get to the discussion. The first one is the definition. Brick and polymer typically refers to two distinct materials often used in construction and manufacturing. First is brick. This is a traditional building material made from clay or other ceramic materials, molded and fired at high temperatures. Second is polymer. This term encompasses a wide range of synthetic or natural compounds made of long chains of repeating molecular units.
Next is composition. A brick composition, generally red bricks, are made from a mixture of clay and sand with the addition of water to form a dough, which is then molded and fired. Clay serves to provide strength and stability to the brick, while sand acts as a filler to improve texture and strength. Main ingredient for making bricks and their function is silica or sand and alumina or clay. Both are the most prominent ingredients in brick clay. When mixed with water in the right proportion, the clay will become plastic. The plastic mass can be easily formed and dried. The clay will not crack, shrink, or bend. Alumina. Alumina is the main element of clay. Alumina functions as an adhesive on raw bricks. Clay for bricks is plastic because of the presence of alumina. And move to silica. Good quality brick contain 50 to 60% silica. Silica prevents raw bricks from cracking, shrinking, and bending. However, extensive silica damages the cohesion between bricks and clay particles and makes the bricks brittle and weak. The durability of brick depends largely on the correct proportion of silica and alumina. And next is lime. Brick must contain a small amount of fine lime. Lime allows the silica in the required amount to melt at the kiln temperature of 1615 degrees Celsius and bind the bricks particle together, resulting in a strong and durable brick. By the way, when you just next, iron oxide. Bricks contain a small amount of iron oxide. This oxide gives the bricks its red color when fired. The iron also increases the durability and watertightness of the brick. Next is a composition of polymer. Polymer, or any of a class of natural or synthetic substance consisting of very large molecules called macromolecules, which are multiples of simpler chemical units called monomers. Polymers make up many of the material in living organisms, including, for an example, proteins, cellulose, and nucleic acids. In addition, polymers are the basis of minerals such as diamond, quartz, and feldspar, and of man-made materials such as concrete, glass, paper, plastic, and rubber. And we have examples for monomers first is sugar monomers, for example, the saccharides, polymer sucrose or granulated sugar is form monomers in the form of monosaccharides, fructose, and also glucose. The second is protein monomers that are classified as polymers composed of monomers in form of amino acid. And next is carbohydrates monomers that are composed of monomers in form of monosaccharides, disaccharides, and also polysaccharides. Teflon monomers is a synthetic polymers used for non-stick cooking utensils. And last is natural rubbers monomers. The next example of a monomers is one that form natural rubbers. Natural rubbers is composed of an organic monomers called isopropane.
Classifications of bricks and polymer. Bricks and polymers can be classified using various criteria such as material composition, manufacturing process, properties, and applications. First is classifications of bricks. We can see by 4 sections. First is by material composition. There are 4 types of bricks in here. There is clay bricks. It made from clay and fired. Second is concrete bricks. It made from a mixture of cement, sand, and aggregates. Third is fly ash bricks, made from fly ash, cement, and water. And the last is sand lime bricks, made from a mixture of sand, lime, and water, and cured under steam. Second section is by manufacturing process. There are 2 types of bricks, fired bricks and unfired bricks. Fired bricks processed by firing in a kiln, and unfired bricks that is brick that air dried and or cured without firing. And third section is by use or the applications. There are 2 types. The first type is load-bearing bricks. This bricks is designed to support weight. And the second is non-load bearing bricks. This bricks is used for aesthetic or decorative purposes. And the last section is by shape and size. There are 2 types of bricks in here. First is standard bricks. This bricks come in rectangular shape. And second is specialty bricks. This bricks is custom shapes for specific architectural designs. Next is classifications of polymers. First, by search. There's 2 types of polymer, natural polymers and synthetic polymers. Natural polymers is polymers derived from natural starch like cellulose, proteins, and rubber. And synthetic polymers is polymers that man-made through chemical process like polyethylene, and polystyrene. Next is we can see them by structure. There is 3 types of polymers. The first is linear polymers. It consists of long, straight chains like polyethylene. Second is branched polymers. It have side chains like low-density polyethylene. The third is cross-linked polymers. This polymer has interkinetic chains like vulcanized rubber. Third, we can see them by thermal properties. There are 3 types of polymer in here. The first one is thermoplastic. It softens upon heating and can be remolded like PVC or polystyrene. Second is thermosetting plastics. It's hardened permanently after being shaped like epoxy, phenolic resin. And the third is elastomers, is stretchable and return to original shape like rubber. And the last is bifunctionally. There is two types polymers in here. The first one is engineering polymers. It's high performance materials for specific application like nylon and polycarbonate. And the second is biodegradable polymers. It's designed to break down over time like PLA and PHA. So for the applications, bricks primarily used in construction for walls, pavements, and landscaping. And polymers, it's commonly used in packaging, automotive parts, consumer goods, medical device, and more.
And next is advantages and disadvantages. For brick, the advantage is first, durable. Bricks are waterproof and can withstand storm. Second is fire resistant. Bricks are less combustible than other building materials like wood and blocks. And third is thermal mass. Five is rough surface. Bricks can cause mold grow if not cleaned properly. And next is disadvantage and advantage for polymers. First, the advantage of polymers is easy processing. Polymers have well understood processing methods. And next, high strength, because polymers have the potential for high strength. And next, high elasticity. Polymers are highly elasticity because it's polymers. 4. Chemical stability. Polymers are chemically stable. 5. Thermal stability. And 6. Cosmetic quality. Polymer have a great cosmetic quality. And the disadvantage for polymer is 1. Toxicity. Most synthetic polymers are toxic. Second, poor biocompatibility. Most synthetic polymers are poorly biocompatible. Third, high production cost. Most synthetic polymers have a high production cost.
Next is properties. In building constructions, bricks and polymers have several important applications. First is walls and foundations. Bricks are often used to construct walls because of their strength and durability. They can also be used for buildings' foundations. Thermal and sound insulation. Polymers, especially in the form of panels or insulation materials, are used to improve energy efficiency and reduce sound in buildings. Exterior coatings. Some polymers are used as a weatherproof exterior coatings, providing additional protection and aesthetics. Decorative components. Polymers can be molded into various shapes for decorative elements, such as wall panels, cornices, and ornaments. Joints and adhesive. Polymer material are often used as adhesive to join bricks or other material together, increasing structural integrity. For constructions, first, bricks. Usage used as primary materials for walls, foundations, and floors. Advantage durable, fire resistance, and provides good thermal insulation. Types there are various types of bricks, such as clay bricks, concrete bricks, and fly ash bricks, each with different properties and applications. Polymer usage: use in polymer concrete mixture to strengthen the structures. Advantage: improve durability, flexibility, and resistance to chemicals. Examples: polymers like epoxy or resin are used to enhance the strength of concrete.
Second is pipes and drainage usage. Primary material in the production of PVC and polyethylene pipes. Advantage is lightweight, corrosion resistant, and easy to install. Ideal for water supply, drainage, and irrigation system. Third is interior material. Brick usage used for exposed wall, design accent, and decorative elements. Advantage: provide a classic aesthetic and enhance the aesthetic value of a room. Polymer usage used in wall and floor coverings, such as in vinyl and laminate. Advantage: durable, easy to clean, and available in various design and colors. Fourth is polymer usage used in a modern furniture design, such as chairs and tables. Advantage: lightweight, durable, and can be molded into various creative design. An example is furniture made from polyethylene. Fifth, packaging. Polymer usage: primary material in the packaging industry, such as plastic bags, bottles, and containers. Advantage is flexible, lightweight, and water resistant, reduce transportation costs, and provides good protection for products. 6. Other application. Paving blocks. Bricks are used for walkways, sidewalk, and parking areas due to their durability and aesthetic appeal. Electronic components. Some polymers are used in electrical insulator and electronic components due to their insulation properties and high temperature resistance. Automotive industry. Polymer are used in manufacturing car parts such as dashboard and panels because they are lightweight and can be easily shaped.
And I'm gonna explain to you guys about fabrication, brick, and polymer. The production of bricks and polymer is a process that involves different techniques and materials. Here is a brief explanation of both. The first one is brick production. Raw materials. Bricks are generally made from clay mixed with water. Some types of bricks also use additives such as sand, lime, and organic materials to change their physical properties. 2. Production process. A. Mixing. Clay is mixed with water to form a moldable dough. B. Shaping. The dough is shaped into bricks either by hand, machine, or other techniques. C. Drying. The shaped bricks are left to dry to remove moisture. D. Firing. The dried bricks are then fired in an oven or kiln at high temperatures to strengthen and harden them. Usage. Bricks are commonly used in building, construction, walls, and roads. The second one is polymer production. Raw materials. Polymers are typically made from monomers, which are small molecules. A common example is ethylene, which is used to produce polyethylene. Production process. A. Polymerization. Monomers are transformed into polymers through chemical reaction, either by addition polymerization or condensation polymerization. B. Processing. Once formed, polymers can be further processed into final products through methods such as injection, molding, extrusion, and cooling. 3. Usage. Polymers are used in a variety of products, ranging from packaging and toys to construction materials. Currently, there is research combining polymers materials with bricks to create lighter, stronger, and more durable materials. For example, the use of polymer fibers in bricks can enhance durability and energy efficiency.
And the last is the uses in civil engineering. Bricks have been used in construction for thousands of years due to their durability, strength, and thermal properties. They use spans from basic structural elements to complex architectural designs. Bricks as structural application is first brick as walls. Bricks are primarily used to construct load-bearing walls and partition in buildings. Second is brick as foundation. In smaller buildings or not seismic zones, brick can be used in foundations. Third is pavements. Brick pavers are used in the construction of footpaths, walkways, and other paved surfaces. Last is arcs and dams. The inherent compressive strength of bricks makes them suitable for constructing arcs and dams in traditional architecture. Type of bricks. There is three types of bricks. The first is clay bricks, the most common type, offering good strength and durability. Second is concrete bricks, made from concrete, used when higher strength and load-bearing capacity is required. Third is fly ash bricks. It's the bricks that has made from industrial waste. They offer eco-friendly options. So the advantage of bricks is the durability, the thermal insulations, fire resistance, and aesthetic appeal. And the next is polymers uses in civil engineering that are going to be explained by Yahya.
Alright guys, we're gonna talk about polymers in civil engineering. Polymers are synthetic materials that have become increasingly important in modern construction due to their versatility and unique properties. If we talking like if we want to know polymers in civil engineering, of course we have to know the types of polymers and the application of polymers. The first one we're gonna talk about is types of polymers. I give you three types of polymers. Number one is thermoplastics. The example like PVC, HDPE, which is commonly used in pipelines and insulation. Number two is thermosetting polymers. Example like epoxy resins and polyurethanes. They use in adhesives, coatings, and composites. The last types of polymers is fiber reinforced polymers or FRP. These are composite materials used for structural reinforcement. After the types of polymers, we have to know where we get an application. What's the application of polymers? And I gave you the four applications of polymers. The first one is pipes and plumbing. PVC and HDPE pipes are widely used for water supply, drainage, and irrigation due to their corrosion resistance and lightweight and ease of installation. The two is coatings and sealants. Epoxy and polyurethane coatings are used for waterproofing, floor coatings, and corrosion protection. Number three is structural reinforcement. Fiber reinforced polymers or FRP are increasingly used to strengthen concrete structure, bridge, and other load-bearing elements. Number four is roofing and flooring. Polymers are used in lightweight, durable roofing materials and versatile floor coverings. The last one is polymers like expanded polystyrene or EPS are used for thermal and acoustic insulation. Combined use of brick and polymer in construction. we have two combined use of brick and polymer. Number one is hybrid systems. Sometimes brick and polymer materials are used together in building systems. For example, brick facades may be combined with polymer-based insulation to create energy-efficient buildings. Now, number two, it's masonry reinforcement. Polymer-based fibers or adhesive or sometimes used to reinforce or maybe repair brick masonry. In summary, bricks over solid, traditional choice for structure with excellent durability and thermal properties, while polymers provide versatile, lightweight, and corrosion-resistant solutions in modern construction applications, making them both integral material in civil engineering. So uh, we can say like brick and polymer are good combined use, especially in modern construction. Because why? Because they can be corrosion resistant, cheaper, and the good durability. So that means it's really good to combine of them in construction.
And that's all from our group about bricks and polymer. If you have any question, just drop it on the LMS discussion. Drop it below.
Wake from your sleep, the drying of your tears.